Hello friends, I hope you're doing great. We're here with a tutorial on the trading platform of the DAXBASE broker. As you saw in previous videos, we registered and verified our identity on this broker, and we've also made deposits and withdrawals using various methods. Now, we intend to teach you about the trading platform. We are on the main page of our user dashboard. At the top, view your account and net balance. Next, use the deposit option for various methods and the withdrawal option. In the right panel, find essential tools for trades. First, specify buy or sell trades. In the order type, choose market for current price or pending to set a price. Specify trade amount and volume starting from 1,000 units and see leverage. In the margin requirements section, we can make withdrawals from our account. The right panel shows key trading tools. First, choose buy or sell. Then define trade type. Market opens at market price. Pending lets you set a price. Next, specify trade amount and volume, starting from 1,000 units. Leverage is shown. Margin shows needed balance. Set stop loss and take profit. Click place buy to execute trade. Top shows selected pairs and symbols. Your trade will open, and if you set it to pending, you can set a price for your trade to open. Set trade amount and volume starting from 1,000 units, and leverage is shown. Margin requirement shows needed balance. Set stop loss and take profit limits. Click place buy to execute trade. Top shows selected pairs and symbols. Click plus to view and add pair categories. Pairs and leverage are shown. Next, see chart to select pairs from categories. The amount of balance you need to open this trade will be displayed to you. And you can set your stop loss and take profit limits for your trade using the respective options. By clicking on the Place Buy button, your trade will be executed. At the top, you can see the pairs and symbols that you previously selected from the list. By clicking on the plus option, you can view different categories of these pairs and add them to your list. In this section, the names of the pairs are displayed along with their leverage. Next, you will see the chart, where you can select your pairs from various categories. In the next section, you can choose the type of chart from 3 options: tick chart, candlestick chart, and trading view chart. The next section is for displaying different trading sessions. In the next section, you can choose the type of chart from 3 options: tick chart, candlestick chart, and trading view chart. The next section is for displaying different trading sessions. In the next section, you can see the time frame and you can change it. In this section, you can use various indicators for your analyses. By clicking this option, you can use various lines for your analyses. If you are on the tick chart, by clicking on this option, you can use the zoom in, zoom out, follow chart tools. You can also use the shift chart and change the background view, or enable, disable the eye trading option with the spacebar. By entering the trading view chart section, you can access more tools for your analyses. In the trading view, using indicators and oscillators is possible by clicking this option. From the tools on the left, you can use various lines for your analyses. In the next section, you can use Fibonacci and Gann tools for your analysis. If you want to draw different shapes on your chart, you can find that option here. To add a ruler to a part of your chart, you can click on this option, and by clicking on the next option, various patterns will be displayed to you. And from the tools on the left, you can use various lines for your analyses. In the next section, you can use Fibonacci and Gann tools for your analysis. If you want to draw different shapes on your chart, you can find that option here. To add a ruler to a part of your chart, you can click on this option. And by clicking on the next option, you will be shown different types of patterns. The next option displays buy or sell positions, and you can add different emojis to your chart. If you want to measure a part of the chart, use the measurement tool. You can zoom in on a specific part of the chart. If you want to measure a part of the chart, use the measurement tool. Zoom in on specific parts. Other tools simplify analysis. You can view the percentage, amount of change, time, and number of candles from the manager tool, and with the next option you can zoom in on a specific part of the chart. There are also other tools to make your analysis easier. So you can use those tools Well, that was a complete explanation about the trading platform of the DAXBASE broker. For more training, stay with us. Goodbye.